We had a discussion on our website last week about stocks that have a reasonable chance to 10x, and we got some really great ideas come in. Paul Adul recommended a company called Enovix, ticker symbol ENVX. This company has a market cap of 1.7 billion and they've designed a new type of high-capacity lithium battery. Revenue is tiny at the moment, but if companies like Samsung start using this new battery, then the stock could go a lot higher, and Mark Cohodes is bullish on this as well. Tom A recommended Koof PLC, which trades on the London AIM market. Koof has developed a digital platform that tackles mental health issues. The company sells access to governments and private institutions and recently won a contract in California. This company has a market cap of only 83 million with 19 million pounds of recurring annual revenue, so there's huge potential for upside, and it's tackling an important big problem as well. AC Sterling highlighted Duolingo, which trades on the Nasdaq and has a market cap around 5 billion. Although the company is expensive at 13 times revenue, the business is growing at over 40% a year, and it's not facing an awful lot of competition. I did another video on Duolingo a few days ago, so make sure to check that out for more details on the stock. Chris DeMuth volunteered Namtai Property Inc., ticker symbol NTPIF. This is an obscure Hong Kong real estate company that's involved in a complex legal battle. So this is a real high risk trade. It could go to zero, but if it wins its case, Chris thinks it could also be a 10x opportunity. Vince called out Vintage Wine Estates, which trades on the Nasdaq. This company owns a large number of wine brands and vineyards, but the business has been crushed by declining margins and it's got a large amount of debt. However, the company doesn't need to pay off its debt until 2027. So the big thing here is that the company has plenty of time to turn around, and if it does, the stock is bound to go a lot higher. Finally, Poster recommended a company called Pagaya Technologies, which is a fintech company based out of Israel. Pagaya uses AI to price consumer loans, a bit like Upstart, and it did almost 700 million of revenue last year. There are a host of red flags with this company, but the stock has got so cheap and there's $300 million of cash on the balance sheet. A 10x move would get the company only back to its merger price, so there's definitely a path here to real upside. So these are 6 stocks that could 10x. It goes without saying that these are all very high risk opportunities, so don't put too much money into these. And remember, this is not financial advice of any kind. And if you want to join discussions like this, then make sure to visit our website, overlookedalpha.com, and I might put a little bit of money into some of these and see what happens.